Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Early life. Awal Paki Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam was born on 15 October 1931 to a Tamil Muslim family in the pilgrimage center of Rameswaram on Pamban Island, then in the Madras Presidency and now in the state of Tamil Nadu. His father Jainulabdin was a boat owner and imam of a local mosque. His mother Ashiyamma was a housewife. Kalam was the youngest of four brothers and one sister in his family. Education. In his school years, Kalam had average grades but was described as a bright and hard-working student who had a strong desire to learn. He spent hours on his studies, especially mathematics. After completing his education at the Squads Higher Secondary School, Ramnathpuram, Kalam went on to attend St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli, then affiliated with the University of Madras, from where he graduated in physics in 1954. He moved to Madras in 1955 to study aerospace engineering in Madras Institute of Technology. He narrowly missed achieving his dream of becoming a fighter pilot as he placed ninth in qualifiers and only 8 positions were available in the Indian Air Force. Career as a scientist. After graduating from the Madras Institute of Technology in 1960, Kalam joined the Aeronautical Development Establishment of the Defence Research and Development Organization. He spent the next 4 decades as a scientist and science administrator, mainly at the Defence Research and Development Organization (DRDO) and Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO), and was intimately involved in India's civilian space program and military missile development efforts. He thus came to be known as the Missile Man of India for his work on the development of ballistic missile and launch vehicle technology. He also played a pivotal organizational, technical, and political role in India's Pokhran-2 nuclear tests in 1998, the first since the original nuclear test by India in 1974. Presidency. The great missile man became the President of India in 2002. During his presidency period, the army and country achieved many milestones that contributed a lot to the nation. He served the nation with an open heart. That's why he was called People's President. But at the end of his term, he was not satisfied with his work. That's why he wanted to be the president a second time, but later on forfeited his name. Post-presidency. After leaving office, Kalam became a visiting professor at the Indian Institute of Management, Shillong, Ahmedabad, and Indore, an honorary fellow of Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru, Chancellor of the Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology, Thiruvananthapuram, Professor of Aerospace Engineering at Anna University, and an adjunct at many other academic and research institutions across India. He taught information technology at the International Institute of Information Technology, Hyderabad, and technology at Banaras Hindu University and Anna University. Awards and honors. Kalam received 7 honorary doctorates from 40 universities. In 2012, Kalam was ranked number 2 in Outlook India's poll of the greatest Indian. The Government of India honored him with the Padma Bhushan in 1981 and the Padma Vibhushan in 1990 for his work with ISRO and DRDO and his role as a scientific advisor to the government. In 1997, Kalam received India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna, for his contribution to the scientific research and modernization of defense technology in India. In 1998, the Government of India honored him with Veer Savarkar Award. In 2000, he was awarded Ramanujan Award by Alvars Research Center, Chennai. In 2013, he was the recipient of the Von Braun Award from the National Space Society to recognize excellence in the management and leadership of a space-related project. Legacy. There's a list of things named after Dr. Kalam. Some of them are Solibacillus kalami, a gram-positive, rod-shaped and aerobic bacterium, is named after Kalam by the International Space Station. Mount Kalam, a 6,180 meters high peak located near the Barashigri Glacier in Himachal Pradesh, is named after him. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Missile Complex, a military research institute in Hyderabad, India, is named after him. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, a public collegiate university in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, is named after him. Kalam's 79th birthday was internationally recognized by the United Nations as World Students' Day. The Tamil Nadu state government instituted the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Award, constituting an 8-gram gold medal, a certificate, and rupees 5 lakhs. Writing. There are several books written by Dr. Kalam. Some of them are India 2020, Wings of Fire, Ignited Minds, Indomitable Spirit, The Luminous Sparks, Mission India, and many more. Death. While delivering a lecture at the Indian Institute of Management, Shillong, Kalam collapsed and died from an apparent cardiac arrest on 27 July 2015, aged 83. Thousands, including national-level dignitaries, attended the funeral ceremony held in his hometown of Rameshwaram, where he was buried with full state honors.